What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It's Lydia, and for today's video I'm going to be going through how I like to detangle my hair, some tips and tricks and best practices that make the detangling process a lot easier for me, a lot less of a chore. And I'd like to say thank you so much to Botanicals for sponsoring this video, especially because they didn't even need to send me the product that I'm going to mention to you all in this video. The product right here that I'm going to be going through is the Afrotastic Curl Elastic. I've used this product in previous videos. I've talked about how much I love it, and I'm already super stocked up with it, especially if you've seen my one of my most recent hauls. It was probably from a little while ago, but I stocked up on this product, so I had a lot. I've already been using it. I love using it, and I kind of just wanted to show you all how I like to use this product to really help detangle my hair. So personally for me, I like to detangle my hair in the shower, and I would definitely recommend that to you all. I feel like it's a lot faster, it's a lot quicker. When my hair is completely wet and saturated with product, I feel like it just makes detangling a breeze. Now for me, once I've already shampooed and cleansed my hair, I already went ahead and did that. Now I'm going to just basically start in small sections at a time, starting from the bottom, working my way up to the top. And what I like to do, and what I've always done, is I personally like to use my deep conditioners as conditioners, especially a deep conditioner with a lot of slip. I say this all the time, slip is your best friend. Basically, you want a product that's really gonna just glide through. For me, I like to use my hands. That's another tip that I will mention to you all. Use your hands if you can. Try to avoid the brushes and combs. It's a lot less harsh on your hair, especially if you're being super intentional and mindful with how you're detangling. I feel like sometimes it's just a lot faster when I use my hands, and I feel like I experience a lot less breakage and a lot less shedding. So first, find a product with a lot of slip. 2, ditch the comb and the brush and all that jazz and use your good old fingers. Now, what I like to do is I go in with the Afrotastic Curl Elastic, and basically I just put it into my hair, work in small sections at a time, and I start detangling my hair from my ends and working my way up to the root. If I were to start from my root, I feel like I would be tugging too much at my hair, and that's also how you experience a lot of breakage. So definitely be mindful, start from the bottom and work your way up to the top. Especially if you have a good old deep conditioner with a lot of slip like this does, you'll be good to go. And as you guys can see, my fingers are literally just gliding right through my hair. That's how bomb the slip is in this product. And what I like about this entire process of basically using a deep conditioner as my detangler, especially one that has a lot of slip like the Botanicals one does, I feel like once I've detangled my hair, I can now just leave it in my hair as a treatment and I'm good to go. It's kind of like a 2-in-1 process for me versus, you know, detangling your hair. Then once your hair is detangled, then you got to put in the treatment after that. This is super quick and super straightforward. So that's personally why I like this method. Plus, it smells bomb. It smells like a fruity, I don't even know how to describe it, like a fruity drink that you would drink on like a beach or something. It smells that good. But yeah, I just continue to do the same process, work from the bottom, make my way up to the top section by section. So I'm just going to continue on, you know, detangling my hair, and I will catch you all when I'm back. So that's basically how I like to detangle my hair. And just remember, work in small sections at a time, find a good old deep conditioner that has a lot of slip. And the best part is that this Botanicals one, you can find it in stores and online. And it's going to be in stores, in Sally Beauty stores, starting May 1st. So you can find it in Sally Beauty stores starting May 1st. You can also get it in Rite Aid stores if you have a Rite Aid near you, or Bed Bath & Beyond stores, or if you just like to shop online, you can buy it on any of those websites or on Target.com or Botanicals website. So yeah, your options are readily available. But thank you all so much for watching. If you have any other tips in terms of how to detangle your hair, be sure to let me know down in the comments. I will be responding to all of y'all. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and if you made it all the way to the end of this video, comment the word Afrotastic, just because this Afrotastic curly elastic ain't no joke. It's the real deal. So yes, comment the word Afrotastic down below. Give this video a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe. I will love you if you do. I won't hate you if you don't, but I would love you if you do. And be sure to share this with a friend as well. But thanks again, y'all, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.